Hi, my name is Allie. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Outlook 2011 for the Mac. What you're going to want to do is first of all go up to the Tools bar and then click on Accounts. Once you're there, you're going to select Email Account, the second option. Go ahead and put in the email address that you want to set up and the password that goes with it. Now, next bar, the username, is also going to be the email address, allie@example.com. Now, the account type right here can be either IMAP or POP. Our servers support both. Which you do is a matter of personal preference, but here's a quick rundown of the difference between the two. POP downloads all the emails in your inbox from the server to your computer. It typically doesn't leave them on the server, meaning that the only copy of your inbox is on your computer, leaving it unavailable for other computers or devices to use. IMAP, on the other hand, simply syncs up with the server. It doesn't take emails off. For the purposes of this particular demonstration, we're going to use IMAP. Now, for the incoming mail server, you're going to put mail.your domain name, in this case example.com. Now, whether you want to use SSL to connect is a matter of personal preference. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do that. SSL just protects the connection between your computer and our servers so that nobody can snoop. Next, we'll go to the outgoing server, mail.example.com, and we're also going to use SSL for that. However, we're going to use a different port right here than 25. So we're going to go ahead and click Override Default Port, which allows you to type in that box. We're going to change it from 25 to 587. We're going to change it from 25 to 465. And then click Add Account. Go ahead and allow. And there you go. It may complain about the server certificate, like it's doing here. That's fine. Go ahead and click Continue. Then you can close out of this window, and it should start downloading your email. So if you come back to your inbox, it may take a second, but it'll start downloading your email. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to call our support line anytime 24/7, and have a great day.